You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce the name of this English playwright and poet, author. If you want to learn more names of characters and book names that he wrote, stay tuned. There are many more videos for you. You'll want to learn from William, you probably knew that, Shakespeare, that's British English pronunciation, the way it be said in the UK, Shakespeare, stress on the first syllable. The Americans would say it as Shakespeare, William Shakespeare, or William Shakespeare, and now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.